If you are looking for an easy way to edit videos, podcasts, and screen recordings without spending hours learning complex software, Descript is one of the most popular tools available today. In this video, I will cover what Descript is, its key features, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using. What is Descript? Descript is an AI-powered content creation and editing platform designed for video creators, podcasters, marketers, and educators. What makes it unique is that you can edit audio and video simply by editing text, delete a sentence from the transcript, and it is automatically removed from the video or audio. Key features. First, there is text-based editing, which makes editing incredibly beginner-friendly. Second, automatic transcription converts your audio and video into editable text within minutes. Third, AI voice cloning, also called overdub, allows you to generate voice corrections without recording. Another useful feature is studio sound, which improves audio quality and reduces background noise automatically. Descript also includes screen recording, making it useful for tutorials, product demos, and online courses. Finally, there are AI tools for removing filler words, generating captions, and creating short clips for social media. Pros: very easy for beginners to learn, saves a lot of editing time, excellent transcription accuracy, powerful AI tools for audio and video enhancement, great for podcasts, YouTube videos, and tutorials, built-in screen recording and collaboration features. And when talking about the cons, advanced video editing options are limited compared to Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. AI features can sometimes make mistakes and require manual adjustments. Large projects may feel slower on lower-end computers. Some of the best features are locked behind higher priced plans. Pricing. Descript offers a free plan for beginners, while paid plans unlock more transcription hours, AI features, and collaboration tools. The pricing is generally competitive for creators who regularly produce video or audio content. Is Descript worth it? Descript is an excellent choice if you want fast AI-powered editing without the steep learning curve of traditional editing software. It's especially useful for podcasters, YouTubers, educators, and content marketers. However, if you need advanced cinematic editing, motion graphics, or professional color grading, tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve may be better options. Final verdict. Overall, Descript is one of the best AI-powered editing platforms available today. Its text-based workflow, transcription tools, and AI features can dramatically speed up content creation for most creators looking to save time and simplify editing. Descript is definitely worth considering. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.